That's interesting. Hi there, I'm Books and welcome to another devlog video. Now, I have not done a lot of work that you can actually see in the game when you're just playing. It's a lot of under the hood stuff, mostly just making the production of items easier and more optimized. But yeah, you can see that the only real difference you can probably see right now is the assets are different, and we have 4 different types of rocks here. Now, to quickly tell you what these rocks are and why they are different, basically each of these rocks has a different purity, which means that this rock is very impure, so these only drop stone and sometimes iron, I believe. These drop stone and iron more regularly. These rocks drop stone, iron, and silver, and these stone, iron, silver, and gold. All of these assets, by the way, were made by Raider in the Discord server, so big thanks to him. Either way, I guess I'm gonna show you all how these rocks actually work. I'm just quickly gonna place down a wooden pickaxe and an iron pickaxe, and then a wooden axe and iron axe. Now I've made navigating the projector a bit easier by basically making it so if you press tab you return to where you were before. So that's really useful. But I guess now I'm just going to make these tools and show off the whole rock thing. Okay, so here we have a stone pickaxe. This pickaxe doesn't do a lot of damage, but it allows you to break stone. So, as you can see, it does 2 damage to stone, and it doesn't drop any extra materials, as you can see. So this rock only drops stone, and then if I break this one, it has a chance to drop iron if you have a good enough pickaxe. But just to show you that this pickaxe does not, I will just quickly do this, and there we go. And I was wrong, I keep forgetting how these rocks work because they're kind of similar. I will have to make some visual changes so that you can see how pure these rocks are, but that's a thing for later devlogs. Alright, so I now have enough iron to make this pickaxe. That's still a bit of a glitch I need to fix because that's not supposed to happen, but I'll fix that at some point. But here we have the iron pickaxe. So just to show off that this one does actually work, as you can see it just spawned another stone and another one. I'll have to change all the balancing for these rocks because you're getting a lot of rocks right now. Okay, so I just broke this rock and as you can see some silver actually spawned inside it, which is nice, and then these rocks also drop gold. Okay, so as it turns out, I am going to have to fix this because there was supposed to be some gold in here at this point. That's something I'll have to fix later, but not right now, I'm showing things off right now. But as you might know, if you were in my Discord server, gold is not the rarest resource in this game. In fact, I've hidden some right behind this. As rarest resource is called a Yessian. There's some funky lore behind it that I came up with Cubic in the Discord server, again, link in the description. But basically the idea is it's really rare and can be really unstable, but also really useful. Now because I don't have gold I can't craft it, but this is the impure Yessian crystal, which is glowy. Now you should be able to craft a Yesian catalyst with it, but you need gold for it, and gold is broken at the moment, so I can't show it off right now. I will show it off later. Now, you've probably clicked on this video for one reason, and that's one I will show to you right now. So, the version I was just in was actually an older version of the game, and right now I'm in the new one where, yes, if you read the title you would know I added Procedural Generation. Now, quick warning, it isn't very performant, I still need to fix it, but for now it's actually kind of nice. So as you can see, there are a lot of trees spawning and a lot of rocks spawning and a lot of other rocks, and it actually looks pretty nice, I think, which is cool, you know? I do have to say that the scale of the world right now has been made considerably smaller than I would want it to be in the quote-unquote final release, if there ever will be one. But it's fine for now because, you know, with this small render distance you wouldn't be able to see the crater otherwise. But technically, this whole thing means that the game actually is sort of playable. So if you want to get a hold on this very early build of this game, you will have to join the Discord server, and I might just send a build over. Now, just to clarify again, there are not a lot of items, there's not a lot of gameplay, so it's purely a test, but I'd really appreciate some feedback. Now, there is still one feature that I want to implement before making that kind of quote-unquote beta build of this game public, and that is a backpack tool. So I guess I'll head over to the editor and make that right now. So here we are in the editor. It looks a lot more bland than it would normally look like because, you know, the test scene is completely gone, but yeah, let's add a new feature. So I'm just gonna copy the projector for now, and that is going to be, so let's just call it the backpack, and I guess that's all the variables we're gonna need. So I am going to want to yoink some more code from the projector manager, which is a lot of stuff, and basically the code I need to copy is the scrolling code. So that's this. So then we don't want to update the hollow. We do want to math.clamp this variable, so that's the first version. So let's just check if that works. Alright, so after a lot of fixing, I think I've finally done it. Wait, I still need to add text. Alright, so after a lot of pain and suffering, I think I've done it, so well, that's Interesting. Alright, so after a lot more pain and suffering than I'd care to admit, suffering and spaghetti code than I care to admit, we have our system working. So here we have a stone and a yesium crystal and another stone. So here we have all three of them. And I can just put down all of them and we have a storage system now, which is, you know, cool. So if you want to play this early version of the game, you can find it, you should be able to find it in the Discord server. In my Discord server, link will be in the description. So I guess if you like this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, keep up with any videos that I do upload, please remember to subscribe. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.